Did you get it to work?
Yeah. So rent is normally due Friday. It's like, wow.
I know.
Oh, sorry.
I was waiting for something to happen. I'm all prepared.
So you can videotape it? Ridiculous. No, at first I was like trying to get in and I was using my keys. I was like, why won't this work?
Of course.
Like, oh, wrong keys. So, I don't know, I'm just like, you know, when I get a job, I get a job and I'll pay you the rent.
This month is?
Yeah. I
I
can't
thought
do
you
it.
had to pay next month. Like not this already passed. They call you in the middle of the month, didn't it?
Yeah, I'm just going to be
You have to
later
go
until
till-
the beginning of January.
So, what month are we on? January?
It's not my fault that no one's been calling me back.
I don't know.
No?
We don't have an opening, so. And you don't even want to work food anyway, so.
So we'll see what happens. I hope I don't get kicked out because I've got nowhere to go.
Oh no. I don't have a plan.
No.
I don't have a plan.
Accent is soon.
Your phone's so pretty. And my phone's so gay.